Mod from Asian Inspirations is joining me in the kitchen today, and we are making one of my favourite salads. I love Thai beef salad, and I know you've got Thai background, so I know this is going to be a very good one. So you're going to start with the beef?
Yes.
Beautiful. So what are you going to do first?
So we just cook it first. We sear it. So we marinate with the lemongrass.
Beautiful. Some beautiful fresh grated lemongrass.
Some salt and pepper.
Salt and pepper. I can pass you the salt.
A bit of oil.
Yes. Ooh, we love a good sizzle.
So it depends how you want to eat it.
Yep.
Rare.
Yep.
Medium. Medium well or well done.
I like medium rare.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Or raw.
Or raw. Well, you do you. You do you. So you're going to sear it on a few sides.
Yes.
Because this is a very quick recipe. So now we're, you know, while the steak's cooking, we can get everything else organised. So I will let you do the dressing.
Yeah, sure.
And I'll do all the chopping for you.
Sure.
How's that?
So the dressing, we start with the fish sauce.
Yep. Beautiful. So beautiful Squid brand fish sauce. I love using fish sauce at home.
Sugar.
Sugar. Beautiful. So
I like to make the same amount of sugar and fish sauce.
Beautiful.
Lime juice. Actually, the taste is like, it's not that fixed. It depends how you like it.
Yeah.
Maybe someone like
more sweet, or more salty.
Yeah, it depends.
Yeah. And then you've got some chilli. I love chilli, Mod. You can go wild on the chilli.
We'll go all.
Why not?
Okay.
I might regret this decision very, very, very soon. Beautiful. And that's as easy as the dressing is.
Yes, that's it.
Yum. This is one of my favorite salads because it's so fresh and fragrant and crunchy. You've got all the beautiful vegetables. The steak's almost done. The dressing's done. I'll keep chopping. We'll come back in a few minutes.
Sure.
All we're going to do is toss it together and we've got a beautiful beef salad. Amazing.
Easy. Yeah.
Beautiful, Mod.
Oh, we just slice the beef.
Amazing. I'll
and then we put
slide
in
that
the
over for you. Beautiful.
Sauce.
And then I'm going to...
Yes.
It smells incredible, so fresh.
Add
And then
vegetables.
all of our beautiful vegetables. And the mint, would you like the mint to go in as well?
Yes, please.
Just break that in half so we get lots of little bits of mint through there.
And can you help me chop the coriander?
I would love to. Anything you want me to do, Mod, you tell me. Just
and another
roughly.
thing.
Yes. Toasted rice.
Yes.
Yum.
We give a little bit crunchy texture.
Yes, yep. So you can toast it in a pan and then you blitz it, but you want to keep it a little bit chunky so it's not too powdery.
Correct.
Beautiful. Yum. Is that enough coriander?
Enough, more than
Beautiful.
enough.
Amazing. Give it a good toss. That is a 5-minute salad.
Really fast and easy.
You're so good.
And
you can
tasty.
come back whenever, Mod. I like quick, delicious dishes. So beautiful. We'll put some into this bowl. You know, I'll use my hands.
Okay.
Why not? I'll get it for you. We'll go all in. Look how beautiful that looks. Mod, you're incredible. We can't leave any little bit in there. All the beautiful little bits of that rice.
And leftover sauce.
Oh yeah. Yum. I'll taste a bit of the tomato.
Try the beef then.
Fresh, vibrant, easy. That beautiful umami flavour from the fish sauce. That would have to be one of the easiest dishes that anyone can cook at home. 5-minute salad,
5 minutes,
I'm going to
yes,
say.
correct.
5 minutes,
5 minutes
fresh,
only.
vibrant, good for you, delicious, you name it. You've got it in a bowl of salad. Mod, well done.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.